Hello friends, welcome friends and family to Pagan's Beauty. So good to be here with you. Today I want to show you how to make flaxseed gel. Yes, for your hair. Flaxseed is so beneficial for your digestive system. However, it is so good also for your hair if you apply it as a gel, correct? So the benefits of flaxseed gel are that it strengthens the hair follicle, it gives you shine, and it promotes hair growth. Also, it helps with disorders in the scalp. So come with me and we're gonna learn how to do flaxseed gel. Here are the materials you'll need to make the flaxseed gel. Everything that's needed, here you go. First step is to start by bringing the water to a boil in the pot. Then pour in your organic flaxseed. Make sure to occasionally stir the flaxseed so it will not clump up together. This is what it looks like when it starts creating the gel from the flaxseed. This is what it looks like when it's the correct consistency for the gel. Let stand so it can cool off for a little while. Now we're gonna pour it into a strainer so we can put it into a bottle and it makes it easier to apply. If you notice, it's pretty thick as it's coming out. Here I'm using a whisk just to get all the gel out of the flax seeds. Here I'm using a strainer into my color bottle, so it'll make it easier to pour the gel into the color bottle. Hey beauties, so here we go. We got the flaxseed gel and I put it in this bottle. This is a color bottle and I put it in here because it's going to be easy to applicate on my hair to apply. So how we're going to apply it, we're going to apply it roots. You see how easy that is? And this is all my real hair. I did take off the wig, friends. I did. I had the wig on because I love the wig, but clearly you see my hair is long. It's curly so it shrinks, but it's super long when you stretch it out. And so I've been doing treatments like this and taking biotin and collagen to grow my hair, especially after I had COVID. So you apply it to your roots and then to the ends. And also the formula that's left over, what you can do is still keep it. You can just keep it up to about a week. And it's very jelly-like. I'm gonna leave this on about 15 minutes. If you left it on overnight, it would not be a problem. The only thing is that you might have like a little residue from it, from the flaxseed. But this is good stuff. And friends, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. I love everything there is to do with beauty and hair. I mean, just beauty in general, right? So if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. Press the bell, give me a like, and comment your favorite part. All right, friends, and I hope you get a lot of shine, a lot of hair growth from this flaxseed gel.